Hello.
Hey Tyler, how are you today?
Hey, doing good, man. How are you?
I'm doing good, doing good. So, wanted to give you a little bit of an update. You created a custom meal plan for me a few months ago. Kind of lied to myself a bit and didn't go full force in with the program. Had a couple of trips and weight went back up. So when I did my client intake form, I was 287. And then when I weighed in, after I'm about 3 weeks in now, and I weighed in at 306. Yeah, I gained water weight and all that fun stuff, and I felt huge and bloated and gross. And now I weighed in this morning at 287.2. So program's working. My question is, so I know you recommend losing 35 to 40 pounds before you recalculate the calories. At what point do you think I should recalculate?
Hold on, I want to get this all back and wrap it all up because I'm confused. So you didn't really start the custom meal plan until you got back from the trips and everything?
Kind of did, but like I said, I just kind of dabbled in it. I didn't fully commit like I should have. But I've been full force following every single meal for the past 3 weeks now.
So 3 weeks 3 weeks ago you were at what, 300?
306, yes.
306, and now you're back down to 287?
287.2.
I freaking love it. That's awesome. That's what I like to hear. So, when I made the custom meal plan, what was the weight that you were at then?
287.
So 287. Okay, cool. So yeah, we're not changing anything.
Okay, cool.
We're not changing anything on that. I'm glad that you're jumping on board, and that's the thing. It takes some time for it to find like, all right, I need to do this.
Yes.
But
and I will say for all the non-stayers out there, I'm 34 years old. I've struggled with anxiety, depression. I have gave myself every excuse in the world why not to do something like this, because I have lost a lot of weight before. This man knows what he's talking about and what he preaches to us. And if you put it into full force and you practice what he preaches, you will get results. My energy levels are through the roof. I have felt better these past 3 weeks than I have in a long time. And I can see the results with my before and after photos. And I am going to tell on myself here, I am kind of obsessed with the scale. My wife will get on to me because I like to weigh daily. So she's gotten to the point to where she's hiding the scale from me.
I love it.
So seeing it visually, though, with before and afters, and you will get those pictures, especially at my 1 month in. I'm just astonished. And I do have one more question for you, Tyler. So on the client intake form, when I first did it, I am doing resistance training for my workouts. I'm using your program along with another. I have recently added cardio, but just walking. So I walk for 45 minutes in the evenings. That shouldn't increase my calories, should it?
The walking, no.
Okay. All right, then. Sounds good, man.
I love it, man. So the custom meal plan's been super simple and everything like that?
Yes. So my honest kind of opinion with it is, I know you do have the option to swap out and so forth, but I think you've made it so kind of diverse where you have so many options, it doesn't get boring. So as long as I'm liking the meals, I'm not really going to swap anything out. I'm just going to keep it going as is. I love ground beef, cheese, and peas.
It's delicious, right?
That's like my favorite meal on the custom meal plan. My wife thinks I'm crazy, but I told her, I said, don't knock it till you try it. And then, of course, chicken thighs are awesome. They've always been one of my favorites. Love the bratwurst. You did like one recipe that you included. It was like a spiced, crusted chicken.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. I like that. But yeah, it's super easy. I bought some vinaigrette dressing. And where it says to use the olive oil, I match the calories, and I've been adding that to my veggies, and it's a game changer.
I'm so happy it's made it easier for you. I'm happy that you're doing it and you're all in now and you're seeing the results from the effort that you're putting into it and everything like that. And I'm glad the custom meal plan is diverse enough for you to where it's not getting boring. And I'm glad you're doing that salad dressing trick because now your veggies are tasting better.
Oh yeah, and I air fry everything.
So do I.
I do meal prep, so Sunday, I work Monday through Friday, so Sunday is my meal prep day, and it's made it so convenient and easy. And I do work from home, and my guilty pleasure used to be, DoorDash, Uber Eats, all that fun stuff we shouldn't have. And I will say, this has just kind of knocked that completely out, because I actually crave my meals now, because like I said, the food's delicious, and you say it best, we need to, and I may quote this completely wrong, we need to not eat to live, but live to eat. Is that it? Did I say it backwards?
You did say it backwards, okay? I do it sometimes too. You got to eat to live,
there we go.
And then not live to eat.
That's it. There we go.
Hey, but you knew the quote. It just went backwards. It's fine.
And you talk about the why, and I just want to say that my why is I want to be... My mom passed away when she was 42 years old.
Jeez.
And Mom had a lot of different issues. She was diabetic, overweight. At one point, she was wheelchair bound, and I watched her health decline so quickly when I was young, and here I am at 34, and I don't want to be in that same boat, and I want to enjoy life with my wife, my dogs, and live life to the fullest and experience everything that I can. But what you're doing is changing lives, and I got to be a part of the call that you took last night. And if I can say anything, if that doesn't open your eyes to how blessed that we really are, to be in that guy's shoes, and what you're doing for him to help him out is beyond measures of anything that I've ever seen before. So you may not feel like it every day. I've heard you say before that, you don't always wake up in a mood to get on your TikTok lives, and you do it twice a day. And I've been following your lives for a while now, but that right there is true inspiration. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything that you do, because you've made me believe again too.
It means a lot, man. You don't understand it. Like you said, you've been watching my lives. You hear me talk about it, and there's those days I'm just like, what am I even doing? I'm not even making an impact in this world. And trust me, it means a lot hearing it. People probably think that I get sick and tired of hearing it. I don't. It means the world to me. It's the driving factor to keep doing this and everything like that. But I'm glad you're on that call last night. That was one of those ones that hit me hard and everything, and
yeah,
it means a lot, man, and I appreciate it a ton. But at the end of the day, I'm happy that you're getting the results though, and you're all in,
Yep.
and it's working for you.
And not to sell your products because, again, this is not what it's about. But I will tell you this. Number one, True Meal, delicious. I dip the chocolate milk. I enjoy it. Complete game changer. If I miss a meal in the morning, quick True Meal shake, and absolutely love it. I am also doing the True Collagen. My hair looks healthy. My wife's noticed the difference. My skin looks incredible, and I absolutely love it. Also doing True Sleep. I have slept so much better. The anxiety at night and the constant thoughts and not being able to shut that off. I sleep so much better. Got the wife True Drive, the extra grip that you talk about. Absolutely. And I'm also taking the True Test, and I'm on my second bottle and absolutely loving the way I'm feeling.
I love it, man. Seriously, it means the world. Like, that's the thing. Like, of course, there's no products out there that make you actually lose body fat, but
Correct.
You're seeing the difference taking the sleep, and that's why you literally hit the nail on the head about True Sleep. Like, that's why I created it, because I started doing, I would literally toss and turn thinking about things that I have to do, and I'm like, shoot, I forgot to do this, and then you're literally trying to turn the brain off, and you can't, and all of a sudden you're like, it's 1 a.m. and I still haven't fallen asleep. So that's why I created it, and I'm love that you are loving that, and the True Drive for the lady. I love it.
And yeah, I forgot to mention your pre-workout as well. Started out with half a scoop, but man, when I tell you that it pushes me through my workouts so good, like I feel incredible. So not only does he practice what he preaches with the proof in the pudding, as you like to say, with the free step-by-step plan, free calorie calculator, but his supplements that he does have, he can put his stamp of approval on those as well because they actually work. They won't help you lose weight, but they can add benefits to your life. And I think that that's the overall goal for all of us. So I appreciate you, man.
No, man, I appreciate you calling in, giving me an update, and you could have easily went on vacation and not started. You could have came back and saw the scale hit 307 or 308, and you could have just been like, forget it, I'm just not going to continue to do this. There's no point in trying. It's never going to happen. And you didn't. You said, no, I need to do this. I'm going to make this change, and now you're down the 20 pounds in 3 months. I mean, in 3 weeks.
Correct. And last thing, and I'm going to end it here, and this might be inspirational for you guys as well that are listening. I've never been one to take off my shirt and enjoy beach life or anything like that. So me and the wife, we have a trip planned in October. We're going to go to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and I hope by then I may not hit my certain number on the scale, but I hope that I can at least feel somewhat comfortable and take my shirt off. So that's my goal.
I love it, man. You're going to crush that goal. Absolutely.
All right, Tyler. I hope you have a good rest of your day, man.
Hey, you just made my day. You have an amazing day. Keep doing what you're doing.
You too, bud.
All right. Bye. That's why I do this. People ask me why I do this for free. That's why, ladies and gents. So if you need help, one-on-ones, give me a ring-a-ding-ding.